Hello, today we're going to make 4 wings and fries from just some wings out of our freezer and 3 potatoes that we just got from the store. Give me a moment while I put this to the side. First, we're going to season up our chicken. This with some seasoned salt. You want to season both sides. Make sure you season it well. Then you're going to dip it in the flour. And take it to a hot pan that should be on the side, already preparing and heating up. And my wok with just vegetable oil. Do that again 3 more times. You want to get flour all over the entire chicken. Excuse my mess. You're going to knock off just the excess like that, not a lot of moving. While that's frying up, we should get our potatoes cut, and we'll be right back. Okay. So, this is the cut potatoes after a while, and we're going to just move here to flip the wings downward to make sure you get those tips really golden brown. Also, we made a little draining station here, my apologies, to get the grease off of it so you can have nice crispy chicken. I'm going to turn them and leave them for another maybe 60 seconds just to get those wing tips really cooked. And now I'm just going to begin to take them out. Bring it closer to you so you won't mess up your entire counter like I'm about to. Tongs work a little better with wings. I just didn't have any at my fingertips, and I wanted to get the wings out before they started to burn. And there you have the full wing. I let it sit for a little while to get that hot, and just to dump the fries in that same grease. I don't mind using the same grease. Some people like to change that grease. I like to do it once, add them slowly because it is a moist product and it can bubble up really high. And then let those rapidly cook. Right now I'm just getting some paper towels to line my plate with, so when they're ready to get out of the grease, it can go onto the napkins to drain and get seasoned with just a little bit of seasoned salt. I'm sorry, pink Himalaya sea salt. They cook up really quickly. You can see. Give them about another 50 seconds. I'm going to start pulling some out because they're getting a nice golden brown that you want. And this is just the quickest way to do it for me. Let me fish the rest of these out and I'll come right back. Now that I fished them out, I like to put my salt on there while it's still hot so it can kind of stick to it better. I just do a quick little toss. This is very hot. Please be careful. I drop a little more in my hand. Do like another little pinch. That's how I like it. And then I assemble the plate. Give me one moment while I do that. And here is the end result. 4 wings with fries and a half and half. The half and half, I got these Arizona teas from CVS when they were 4 for $2, so 50 cents for that tea. These wings, I got a case for $29.50. It was a 20-pound case. I got about 65 in there, so it's around 45 cents a wing. We have 4 of them. That's like $1.80. The 3 potatoes I got from that 10-pound bag of potatoes I brought for $4.99. We only used the 3, so that's about 19 cents a piece. Total of $2.30. Add the drink is $2.87. I'm sorry, $2.37. Add the drink is $2.87. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.